The Chinese chose to paint inside these tiny bottles for one genius reason. It's called neihua, and it's known as one of the hardest art forms in history, as it involved painting detailed fine art inside snuff bottles, which were tiny luxury bottles that elites would use to carry tobacco wherever they went, so they often paid artists to make their bottles look more valuable, which needed incredible precision and skill, because they not only had to use a tiny L-shaped brush to reach the inner wall, but they also had to paint completely in reverse, since the front details needed to be painted first before the background could be added behind it. So even though the bottle was carried all the time, the artwork inside could never be damaged and would